Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix voicemail notification not working in Realme Neo 7X. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option sounds and vibration. Now click on it and then click on do not disturb. Now here you can check your do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back and click on notifications and then scroll down and here you can allow your Snapchat notifications, everything app you want to enable your notification. Then go back and scroll down and click on system and update and then click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset all your settings. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.